think about it. Hey, welcome back to Candra's World Candyland's Happy Friday. And yes, there will be a Sippy Sip Live a little later on. So I'm eating some chicken McNuggets and some onion rings. And today we'll be talking about Capricorn capability. Why I keep saying capability? I'll be glad when I'm off this topic, period. We'll be talking about Capricorn's compatibilities. So how y'all like the fact that things are about to start opening back up? Me, it's okay with me. As long as I'm covered up and I'm doing the right precautions, like wearing a mask every time I go out. I'm trying to allow a lot of crowd. But like I said, I'm not all into movies, going out, The store and back. These onion rings take something like, shrimp. You want one? Here. I still got my grandson over here. You had a good vacation. He going home. What do you mean? The weekend. You can't say he ain't spend a week with his grandmother. Like he was over here with his last Saturday.
Yeah, you do.
What do you say, like shrimp? Y'all, EJ made this for me. They ain't onion rings. I love onion rings. But you know what? I want to learn how to make homemade onion rings. And I'm going to look it up. Because that's all I think that's all you do is cut an onion up. And I'm going to get Eric to do it. Make sure he's good and feeling good on the weekend when you don't have to go to work. Like Eric, that's wild. Baby, let's make some onion rings. But you gotta catch Eric when he in a fantastic mood. So we'll see about that. I'm gonna be working on that. But if anybody know how to make homemade onion rings, let me know. Because I would love to try. Because like I said, I'm not no chef. So it is what it is. So what y'all got planned for the weekend? How's the weather? It's 80-something degrees. Well, what you expect? It's May. And then did y'all hear about the new stimulus they about to start sending out? We just got ours this weekend. I mean, this ain't even done. This is a real onion. He ain't even fried that. My son. He tried. This is the first time making onion rings. And Spike is on my leg, y'all. You want a piece, Tom? It's been a hectic week, y'all. He wanted a piece of chicken. I thought you was going to bed. I'll be glad when things get back to normal. I'll be glad when they go to school. I can do my videos in peace. I'm about to buy me another camera. I want me a camera with a tripod on. I'm doing a video. I'm going to try to invest in that. I know a good camera gonna cost like $5,000. I don't have that kind of money, so I'm not gonna need perp off of that. But one day, I will get me a good camera. Because I'm doing these videos. Now I'm turning these nuggets up. Get ready for a sippy sip. Because guess what? It's what? Friday. Turn up. I need a water. Go get me a water. I wish I would have made these onion rings. You didn't make the whole bag, did you? But I will, when I make my fish, I will fry my onion rings. And I do have some focus. But that video probably don't come out till Friday. I mean Saturday. I gotta get back to grinding, y'all. Feel like I'm still stuck in one spot in the YouTube street. But it is what it is. I'm trying to grow slowly. Not rush with no numbers. I'm not pressed. If it's meant for me to rise, I will. So y'all, time is flying. Let's get into it. My back hurt. I think it's coming from not drinking a lot of water. Capricorn, compatibility. They are compatible with Taurus, Virgos, Scorpio, and Pisces. Yes. They not compatible with Aries and Libras. Oh, wow. Oh, that's what they say. I don't know what's going on. But Capricorn's people, they good with me. The male and the females. I like the females more better. I can't hear. I like the females better. Like we can talk about anything. The males, no. And I got one. I got a male for Capricorn. And I've been with him for 19 years. And he is my past. He burnt the nuggets. But he made an outfit. I ain't had to cook. He do help out sometimes, but he could be working sometimes too. My son. Well, y'all, I'm about to sign out. It was a quick video. Because it's Friday and I'm about to do me. I'm going to try not to come on live too lit. Because I be coming on live lit. I'm going to try, if I ain't running my mouth on the phone, I can do like 1 or 2. I just be pretty much getting started. But anything after 3, when I come on live, you better believe I'm lit. And I don't want to come on live like that. I want to come on live feeling good and about to get lit, not already lit. Because I'm liable to say and do anything in real life. But y'all, I'm about to slide. So you know what time it is. If you like what you like, subscribe. If you don't, you can pass it on by. Until next time, I will see y'all soon with another chit chat and another mukbang. Deuces back at